Get noticed in this 2006 Subaru Impreza. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes all-wheel drive, driven by an automatic transmission. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Let the outside in with a power sunroof. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with multi-disc CD player, power mirrors, an alarm system. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, daytime running lights, independent suspension. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.